A buy limit order in Forex is a type of pending order that traders use to enter a long position at a specific price level below the current market price. It is placed with the expectation that the market price will decrease to the specified level before potentially reversing and moving upward, providing an opportunity to buy at a more favorable price. Take the example of the TRX chart, where I can initiate a buy order at a price below the current market level. This implies that if the chart experiences a downward movement and reaches the specific price I've established for the buy order, the order will be triggered and executed. Additionally, we have the option to initiate a sell limit order. In this scenario, a pending sell order is placed at a rate higher than the current market rate.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free consultation? Go to the Forex Academy website. Select Consultant Appointment in the main menu and finally set up an appointment to talk with our experts.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.